have another quick video for you today, and this one is how to make a floral wreath step by step. I love fall decor on the front door and by the mantle, but I'm using this wreath on the doors to my office. This cute little wreath would also look great on the porch, at the entryway, in the kitchen, or even as dining room fall decor as part of a tablescape. If you're looking for ideas for fall home decor for less money, then keep watching because this Dollar Tree craft will be perfect for you. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer, so being creative is just part of every day. When I'm not doing my full-time, I hop onto YouTube every week, and I love sharing creative inspiration with you so you can make your life as creative as it can be. This video is part of the Ultimate Fall Wreath collab hosted by Natalie from Design to the Nines and Kristin from Kristin Kay. They have really awesome channels that I love, so make sure to check them out. There will also be a playlist with a bunch of other YouTubers who made beautiful wreaths, so I will make sure to link that playlist and the channels of the hosts in the description box below. I had already found a cute wreath for my front door last year. I got it at Home Goods and it was a really good deal. So this year I wanted to make a wreath, but I wanted something really small and simple, and I already had finished my decorating for the fireplace for fall, so I wanted to put a little decoration in my office where I spend a lot of my time. I have French doors to my office and I usually leave them open, so I thought a little wreath on the handles of the doors would look really nice. Dollar Tree had some great fall florals, so I picked a bunch of those up. I got a little base for the wreath at the Dollar Tree, and they sell these in 9-inch and 12-inch diameters. I got the 9-inch one so it would fit nicely on those French doors. They come in a pale natural wood color, which was great, but I wanted to darken them up, so I used a matte gold spray paint. If you're liking this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment in the comments section because I would love to get to know you a little better. Next, I played around with the florals to make them fill the bottom of the wreath up. I did try to keep things looking fairly symmetrical but natural, and this is something I normally do with all my floral arrangements. I didn't need to use any glue or any other way to secure the flowers to the wreath because of how this wreath is twisted. So I was able to snake those florals through the wreath and they stayed put. So that was awesome. This also gives me some flexibility to reuse the wreath because I can just take those flowers off and then put in some holly and garland for Christmas and use it over and over again. delicately hang this over your door handle like I did here, and that looks really nice. But I chose to add a ribbon to dress it up a little bit, and I felt this black and white ribbon really popped against the white doors and added some contrast to the wreath. I have some other great fall decor videos with Dollar Tree finds, so I will link those in the description box below in case you're looking for some more fall decor inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.